Welcome to Life Fit Clan, where we simplify health and fitness for you. In today's video, we'll be diving into the ultimate guide to healthy eating, a comprehensive breakdown of balanced meals, smart snacking, and sustainable lifestyle changes. By the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge and strategies to make informed choices for a healthier life. So, grab a cup of tea, get comfy, and let's jump right in. So, what exactly is healthy eating, and why is it important? Healthy eating means consuming a variety of foods that provide essential nutrients to keep your body functioning properly. It boosts energy, supports brain function, strengthens immunity, and promotes overall well-being. A balanced diet consists of macronutrients, proteins, carbohydrates, and fats, along with micronutrients like vitamins and minerals. Each of these plays a crucial role in maintaining good health. For example, proteins help repair and build tissues, carbs provide energy, and healthy fats support cell function. But it's not just about what you eat, it's also about how you eat. Portion control and mindful eating help prevent overeating and improve digestion. Instead of eating in front of a screen, try sitting at a table and focusing on your meal. Chew slowly, savor each bite, and listen to your body's hunger cues. Now, let's build a balanced plate. A well-rounded meal includes fruits and vegetables for vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Aim for a variety of colors to get different nutrients. Lean proteins like fish, chicken, beans, and tofu to support muscle repair and overall health. Whole grains such as brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread for sustained energy and digestion-friendly fiber. Healthy fats from sources like nuts, seeds, and olive oil to support brain function and keep you feeling full longer. Avoiding highly processed foods is essential. These often contain unhealthy fats, excess sugar, and artificial additives that can harm your body in the long run. A simple tip: if the ingredient list is too long or contains words you don't recognize, it's probably best to skip it. Cooking at home is another great way to maintain control over ingredients, portion sizes, and overall nutrition. Plus, it's fun. Experiment with new recipes, try different spices, and make your meals enjoyable. Snacking isn't bad as long as you do it right. Smart snacking keeps hunger in check and provides sustained energy throughout the day. The key is to choose snacks that provide nutrients, not just empty calories. Great options include fresh fruits and vegetables. Apples, bananas, carrots, and bell peppers are easy and nutritious. Nuts and seeds packed with protein, fiber, and healthy fats, but keep portions in check. Yogurt with natural ingredients. Opt for plain yogurt and add honey or fruit for sweetness. Whole grain crackers with hummus, fiber, and protein make this a winning combo. Steer clear of processed snacks and sugary drinks, as they lead to energy crashes and long-term health risks. Instead of soda, try flavored water with lemon, mint, or cucumber. The key to healthy eating isn't drastic changes, it's gradual, sustainable improvements. Instead of completely eliminating unhealthy foods, try reducing portion sizes and replacing them with healthier alternatives. For example, swap white rice for brown rice. Choose whole wheat bread over white bread, and use olive oil instead of butter. Small changes like these add up over time. Turn healthy eating into a lifestyle by making it a part of your routine. Find joy in preparing meals, exploring new recipes, and sharing food with loved ones. Remember, healthy eating isn't about restriction, it's about balance and enjoying food in a way that nourishes your body. If you have specific dietary needs or health concerns, consider consulting a registered dietitian for personalized guidance. They can help tailor a plan that works best for you. Healthy eating is for everyone. Whether you're vegan, gluten-free, or have food allergies, you can adapt these principles to fit your needs. There's no one-size-fits-all approach. Find what works for you and stick with it. Hydration is also essential. Drinking enough water throughout the day supports digestion, energy levels, and overall well-being. A good rule of thumb: aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. And if you struggle to drink enough, try carrying a reusable water bottle or setting reminders. And don't forget, healthy eating works best when combined with regular physical activity. Whether it's walking, yoga, or strength training, movement complements good nutrition for a truly holistic lifestyle. Even something as simple as stretching in the morning can make a difference. That wraps up the ultimate guide to healthy eating. We hope this video helped you understand how to make healthier choices. If you found this useful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more health and fitness tips. What's your favorite healthy meal? Let us know in the comments. And remember, small steps lead to big changes. Until next time, stay healthy and stay strong.